I saw Japan, and there was just a sudden, it was like a tree that I saw. It was shaken, and things were falling like leaves. And I said, Lord, what are you saying? The Lord said, pray against earthquake.
We begin with breaking news. A 7.6 magnitude earthquake has struck off Japan's northeastern coast. The quake was felt at about 11:15 p.m. local time, so that was a few hours ago now. There's a tsunami advisory in place for Miyagi and Fukushima, where up to 90,000 people have been told to evacuate. The country's nuclear plants, such as Fukushima, have been reviewed and apparently pose no risk.
Sudden, it was like a tree that I saw. It was shaken.
We advise people to evacuate to higher grounds.